Good morning, folks. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Raksha Bandhan by ourselves with sewing thread. First, we take any color of your choice. Take one sewing thread and make some strands by using any latch in your house. I have used door handle over here. Depends on the size and depends on the length. You can take multiple number of strings. Then I have taken 4 strings over here with 3 colors: yellow, white and black. It is of your choice. It's not black, it is dark bottle green color. So take those 4 strings and then tie a knot. Make sure the knot is strengthy enough. Divide those 4 strings in 4 different directions and then follow the instructions, like the top one has to be folded down and the down one has to be folded up, and then the right one to be gone through the top fold to the left, and left one to be folded and then to be inserted through the down one to the right side. So I know it is a little confusing, but just follow the instructions in the video how I have told. If this is not fit, I have another option for you guys. Do not need to confuse much about it. It is a very simple knot. It looks more like a flywheel knot if you closely observe this. Here is another method that I am showing. Divide them into 4 different directions. Use all your fingers over here. Make loops top and down. Right one to the left through the top knot. Left one through the right through the down loop, and then make a knot. This is how simple it is. By making multiple knots, you will get a rope like thread. The final knot is a little tough one. Make sure to handle it well. As the thread is about to complete, you will feel it difficult to make the knot. Yes, now we are done with the knot. Now take another strand of fibers or thread. Here I have chosen only yellow and green because it will match with the colors that I have chosen already. Make a big strand this time, and then by using crochet needle, try making slip knots. If you do not know how to make slip knots, please follow my video instructions. As it is not a single thread, you will feel it a little difficult to make the slip knots, but carefully, if you do, within 5 minutes it will be over. Try making a chain strand of some certain length. take a photograph of your choice or the one which your brother likes the most, and then by using this chain of strands, you can make a loop. So to make the loop, just follow my instructions. So this will work as a frame to the photograph that we are going to stick to the Rakhi. Make 2 knots so that it will stay stiff. Now take the photograph and try sticking this loop frame that we have made, and then with the use of a Fevic stick or any other glue of your choice. Here I have taken a very small photograph to fit in the Rakhi. Now trim off the edges to make it look like a loop shape. Now I have taken another cardboard or any thick fibrous board or something like that. Here I have taken an old photograph and then cut into pieces and then stick together. Now tie one thread to the Rakhi exactly at the middle of the Rakhi, so that this thread will act as a connector to the photograph to the Rakhi. Make sure you are tying it tight. After tying it tight, we are going to close all the strands together through a needle. We are going to insert it to the cardboards we have already prepared. To this base, so we are going to divide these strands into 2 and then stick to the cardboard. On this cardboard, if you want, you can add another cardboard and then stick. Now take your loop frame, that is your photograph, and then stick it to your Rakhi. Now this is how it looks after sticking. Now trim off the edges with the scissors. Now after trimming off, this is how it looks. Now to make it not rotatable, stick at the both sides of the Rakhi. Now after sticking it will be stiff enough. Now our Rakhi is almost done. A very small thing that has to be done is that to cover the raw edges that are there at the back side. So with the help of the excess thread that is there, I am going to stick it with a Fevic stick. It is just an idea that I have got just now while making this. By doing this, we will get a neat finish to the Rakhi. Use some glue on the knot also so that the knot will be secured properly. Now trim off the excess one and then divide the fibers so that it will look fluffy. If you feel some yarns are coming off, try sticking it with the glue. The thicker the thread, the fluffier it is. If you want more fluffy ball kind of thing, then you can use more number of strands. To get a smoother finish at the edges, take one strand. Here I have taken one yellow one because I have taken here in this Rakhi I have two yellow strings. So one string I have taken. I used blanket knot to finish the edges. Make multiple blanket knots to make it look how it was shown in the video. After getting certain length, you can glue it and then cut off the edges. After finishing the Rakhi, it will look more attractive like how it was shown in the video. Now this is the time to knot. This is a very simple one with sewing threads that are available at home. You do not need to go out and make an attractive Rakhi by your hands. You will feel more satisfied when you make it for your brother. Please follow the instructions and make one for your brother and tell me in the comment section how it has come. Thank you.